What is going on, everyone? Earn with Todd here. I'm back with another Kangaroo Hunter video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I bag 495 pips on my daily live stream on Twitch. I go live every single weekday 6:30 a.m. Pacific to about 8:30 Pacific Standard Time. So this morning, April 7th, Tuesday 2020, we caught 495 pips, and I'm going to show you these trades right now. Okay, so the first trade was on the S&P 500. This was on the 1 minute chart, and with the indicator I was using, the Kangaroo Tail indicator, by the way, I will have the link for this indicator down in the description. So I'm going to show you how this indicator actually helped us catch 495 pips. So this Kangaroo Tail on the 1 minute chart printed, and as we see, it extended past the zone right here. Very nice zone, and an easy way to find these zones is just simply use the line chart. So when this Kangaroo printed, I put my zone right here on the line chart, and we see that this Kangaroo Tail extends past the zone. This is exactly what we want to see. This is one of the rules we need to see when we place a position on a Kangaroo Tail. So Kangaroo Tail on the zone, extends past it, and there's also plenty of room to the left. This is about 23 candles to the left. Room to the left just means price has not been in this area previously. So there's a good chance it could reverse, and here we set our take profit here at about 27.26, and we entered about right here, and price just smashed 180 pips, and I'm going to show you the clip right now.
Indices going off right now. Not the best room to the left, but we're at the top, and I gotta sell. I'm selling this. It might already be dropping by the time I already click sell. I'm in. It's not the best room to the left, but okay, we got like stocks going up.
So right here, I was also checking Tesla because this was early in the morning. Stocks just opened and S&P 500 was just moving. So, as we go, we move really quickly. We're up 100 pips just like that. 129 pips. My take profit was 180 pips. So as time went on, we finally smacked TP right here.
Like a micro pip away. Just do it. Smack it. Almost there. One more pip. Come on. Smack it. There we go. There we fucking go. Let's go.
So that was the first S&P 500 trade we caught. And then I want to show you a Tesla trade. So right after this trade hit TP, right away I was in a Tesla trade also. I entered on the top. This Tesla trade was actually interesting because there was a kangaroo up here. I entered a little too soon, and that trade actually lost. We lost about 30 pips on that one, but then I recognized on Tesla we got a bunch of rejection wicks up here, so I decided to put in a short. And at the same time, the S&P 500 was dropping at the same time, so we had confirmations from SP 500 since that does follow the stocks. So here on Tesla, we were up 150 pips on stream, and as it went on, I just finally decided to just close out right here. We were up 164 pips.
I'm gonna close. There we go. Update that balance again.
And this was all on live stream on my Twitch, Earn with Todd. I will have the link down below in the video description. But that was two back-to-back 150 plus pip trades. And then we followed S&P 500 until the next kangaroo printed right on the bottom. And as you notice, this kangaroo also printed exactly on a zone, just like how we shorted it previously. So I entered up here. This is a really good example of a good kangaroo setup because there's plenty of room to the left. Like, price hasn't been here for a very long time, and price immediately starts to go up. It goes up a quick 120 pips. It retests down here, basically break even. I kept my stop loss right down here. When you trade Kangaroo Tails, you want to have the stops below the tail a little bit. So the stops there a little bit later. I actually had to get off stream a little bit, and I closed 150 pips off stream, but I'm going to pull up the clip when I was up 100 pips.
I'm going to put a shot at it. I'll go 30 pips. Guys, if you enter SP, go light on the stop or the lot size, whatever. So I'll do 2688.
So here I was just putting in my stops first before I entered, and there we have. Okay, my entry was right there on the bottom. Really good entry. We waited for the wick down here to go above the kangaroo, the previous candle high. That's actually another good point I want to mention. When we see these kangaroos, we want prices on a bullish kangaroo. On the very next candle, we want this candle to break the high of that bullish kangaroo. That way, in case price starts going here, we prevent a losing trade. So price went up, the trade was triggered. That's when I entered in the video. So we entered and we were up a quick 25 pips. As we go on, we're up 50 pips. It goes up 60 pips, 75 pips, And of course, we're getting some follows on Twitch as this is happening because this is quick pips. Okay, we're catching hundreds of pips within minutes on live stream. Kangaroo Hunter is a really, really good community. You'll also want to be sure to join my free Telegram group. So at this point, this was when I had to actually get off the stream. I had to go make breakfast for my family. I got a 6-year-old son. So I got off stream here. We were floating 102 pips in profit. And I did close out at about 150 pips exactly. So this is how kangaroos work. We catch reversals and we catch hundreds of freaking pips. Like, Kangaroo Tails do work. And if you want to see how they work in action, just join my live streams. Okay, I go on there and I'm showing really, really good examples how to trade them. And we're actually trading them as a community. So this kangaroo actually went up 250 pips. So I closed it a little early, but hey, who's going to complain about 150 pips in like 10 or 15 minutes? So if you want to learn how to trade Kangaroo Tails, make sure you look at all of my kangaroo videos. I have like 6 or 7 on YouTube already. They are going to enhance your trading skills. I guarantee it, especially when you join these live streams. And as a community, we're actually leveling up our knowledge on Kangaroo Tails and we're catching hundreds of freaking pips. Like, I know I keep saying that, but I mean, what's better than catching all these pips within minutes? There's some crazy times in the world going on. And I mean, Forex pairs are cool right now, but because of the volatility in stocks and indices, it's a good idea to put some of your balance towards trading stuff like S&P 500. And if you want to trade these with me, I'm going to leave the broker link below this video description. I'm using a broker called Osprey FX. Check it out if you'd like. But that's all I have for this video. And with that said, thank you for watching this video. If you got questions, drop comments below. And as always, feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll leave all of those links down below. So the Kangaroo Hunter is signing off.